video, you will learn how to raise tracking items using the Zoom In feature. First, let's log into Starfish. From the UC homepage, go to Tools and click on Canopy and Blackboard. Log into Blackboard and click Starfish under Tools. From the top navigation bar of your Starfish homepage, select Students and then the Zoom In tab. Starfish Zoom In allows an instructor to track performance of students on individual assignments during the term and highlight trouble spots. This can be particularly helpful when an instructor has a large class roster and/or a large number of assignments to consider to identify students that should receive an alert or may need extra caution. Instructors can select multiple students at a time to raise a flag or kudo. In order to use this functionality, you must be using the gradebook in Blackboard. Your gradebook data from Blackboard will show up in Starfish. It is important to note that when you update a grade in Blackboard, it will not instantly update the grade in Starfish. If the grade is updated in Blackboard before 3 p.m., it will show in Starfish the following day. Otherwise, it will take 2 days to show in Starfish. The first step is to make sure you have the appropriate course selected. You can navigate between your courses by selecting the Course section drop-down. Next, we want to set up our criteria to be able to filter students based on course average, tests, or assignments. Click on the Setup section. You will see all your gradebook items from Blackboard listed in this section. Select the item or items you want to display. In this example, we will use Test 2. By clicking the active button next to Test 2, this will allow us to filter students based off the criteria we are about to input. So now you want to determine your criteria for poor and good. In this example, poor students have below a 60% test score, and good students have above an 80% test score. Make sure you enter your values as percentages and click Submit. Your Zoom In dashboard will now show students based on your display, active, and cutoff settings. To see students in a particular category, good, okay, poor, or missed assignment, click on the category under Grade Status on the right. Click OK, and only the category of students you selected will show in your dashboard. This allows you to easily identify students to send flags or kudos to. In this example, I want to send a low exam score flag to all students who populated in the poor category. Click Select All to select all the students in the category and then the flag button. Select the appropriate flag. If you want to see what the messaging looks like for a particular flag, right-click on here and click Open Link in New tab. This will take you to the template. Next, select your course context. Then, write any comments that could be useful to the student. For example, if you suggest the student meet with you to discuss the test, or if there is special tutoring available for your course, put that information here in complete sentences. The same comment will be sent to all the students you selected previously. Click Save to immediately send the messaging to students. There are a few things to remember when using the Zoom In feature. Only 75 students will show up on a page. When sending flags or kudos, even if you click Select All, only the students appearing on that page will receive a notification. Make sure you go to page 2 and so on and repeat the steps to send the appropriate flag or kudo. To view the flags and kudos that you raised, you can click on the Tracking tab and see the items you raised. You have now learned how to send tracking items using the Zoom In feature. Please view the additional videos to learn more about setting up and using Starfish.